You know I like my chicken pot. Open sores, they really rock. Itchy bum and scabbing face. Tiny bumps all over the place. Hey! Is that silly?
Mama.
Is that silly?
Mama, look how tall this is.
I see that. You know I like my chicken pot. Open sores, they really rock. Itchy bum and scabbing face. Tiny bumps all over the place. Hey!
Help me.
Did that scare you too? No?
Can I sing it?
Sure.
Tell me that. You know I love my chicken pot. Itchy bum and scabbing face. Tiny bumps all over the place. Wow!
Good job.
Did I? Mama, I want to sing it.
You're gonna sing it? Can you chew your food up first? So we all don't have to see it? Alright, little boy, sing your song. Delaney, let him sing. Come on, my pock boy.
I'm thinking in my head.
Oh, but can you sing so we can hear you? Good job, baby.
Push your baby.
Are you singing it, Adeline? No, is that good food? She gets way more ranch on there than she does fry.